Hi guys, we are talking about tripod today. I got this delivery in the morning. I bought it from Amazon. It's coming from Syvo company. Tripod 3-way pan head. You can see the descriptions for the tripod, like how much weight it can take up to. We got the cards for register for warranty. Promotional offer. Okay. So this is a bag, guys. I mean, you can put the tripod in this and carry anywhere you want. It will be helpful when you go for shooting, like outside shooting and photography. So here is the stand. This is a maximum height the stand can give you. You can see clearly that the legs are pretty thin at the bottom. I'm having a doubt on if it can hold a huge DSLR camera and all, but for me, I guess this is good. I mean, it's okay for a beginner like me. I thought it's the best option. It is like good. I mean, the quality is good. The color combination of this tripod is also good. It's sturdy, it's not falling off, it has a good grip, so I guess this is fine. I guess even with the thin legs, it won't shake off. So this is the head, guys. This part over here, you can see it's removable from here. You just have to turn on the circle and then it will come off. So this part over here is for mobile phones. This is holder for mobile phones. It can fit any mobile. You just have to extend this one. It is extendable. You can fit your mobile phone over here. And let me show you this handle over here. This handle, guys, for you to move the tripod, the head, on any direction you want. This is how it moves. See, smooth, nice slide. You can move this any direction you want. I mean, there are some limitations. We cannot move more than 360 degrees, but then it's pretty handy if you're shooting any video and you need certain angles. So that's it, guys. I mean, look, it's pretty nice for a budget. So let's see. I'm gonna shoot another video with everything attached to it, like ring light and all. Then we'll see how it works. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video is helpful, please go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned, because I'm gonna share good quality videos on tips working on the artworks. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.